SAS is a design and engineering organisation that specialises in high quality ceilings, and the mission of the organisation is to help designers and architects create fantastic spaces. The organisational tech strategy is really around firstly enabling our primary goal, which is how do we support architects and designers to create great spaces, but it's also around how do we work globally. And even though we're headquartered in the UK, we've got offices all around the world, so how do we have technology that supports that and supports those operations? In terms of the technology challenges, I guess the key one in terms of why we selected ANS and chose to partner with ANS is around the complexity of managing lots of different partners for all of the different parts of our technology stack. The real core services we've got through ANS are start with connectivity, so that's around having really good quality connections for all of our users at all the sites. Private cloud in terms of hosting our services in the private data center, but then we've also got services on top of that, so we've got the MDR from a security side of things, but also managed services around the connectivity.
Initially, we went with ANS for our private cloud and to get some new lease lines going across our sites across globally. So our main aim was to move our ERP system out of our previous supplier into our new supplier. So that was a full infrastructure change.
It's been a really good experience so far. Noticed quite a significant improvement in performance and speeds of the network. So myself being more application based and working with the systems, I've sort of noticed more on the quicker response times for the system, quick data processing and transactions, so that's a better performance on that side. And then also in terms of reliability, seen an improvement there. So the system and network seems to be more stable, operational and more sort of uptime, which is good.
We've seen over the years that our customers tender out for companies that have got cybersecurity set. So we are looking at getting Cyber Essentials Plus with the help of ANS. We are going to get there, and ANS are going to lead us and advise us on how we're going to get there. Eventually then we'll be Cyber Essentials Plus, and then we can go for high level projects.
So in terms of the security services we've got through ANS, I think like all businesses we recognise the importance of cybersecurity and the risk that it poses to the business, and we also recognise the value in having an expert guiding us and supporting us through that journey.
But then ANS explained then they've got a Centre of Excellence for security. We asked, okay, can they do a review? And we go through what we don't know ourselves, and they give us a report, and now we're working against that report to tighten up the security for SAS International.
The main benefit for us has been we're spending a lot more time supporting users and not managing partners. And the result of that is it's ultimately led to better service for all of our users within the organisation without having to add loads more people to the IT team. We've got a relatively lean team, so having a really simple relationship with partners just makes it so much easier for us to manage.
We've got more time now as staff in SAS to do things. We can call on people in ANS, like the support team, the security team, to help us out doing things. We've got logs going into ANS now. They are being proactive in identifying issues before we know about them.
I deal with the users day to day. No feedback in IT is good feedback, and since the network change where we were having a lot of complaints with speed issues on an application called Sightline, our main application, since switching over to the ANS systems and servers, things have gotten a lot better because I haven't heard as much, which is in IT is actually a good thing, and you only hear when things are bad, so no news is good news.
What I found with ANS is that they are contactable. When we go to our customer account manager, we can get a response on the same day. We can also contact technicians directly to give us that support if we wanted some advice on doing things. And when we raise tickets as well, this is another thing that we found compared to other suppliers, is we will get response within the SLAs that have been determined.
The communication is very good. When they make changes, we are told in advance, and these changes are done in an orderly and organised manner.
Our partnership has evolved over time because, as I say, we've brought in our infrastructure and our servers, everything into ANS. And then from that, we've gone into security. We'll be looking at AI going forward.
The relationship with ANS initially started with connectivity, private cloud and MDR only. After around 6 months on board with you guys, we've then added the security COE. And we're looking at new opportunities for the future in terms of additional services from ANS that we might take out.